Greetings everyone. On Earth Day 2021, many important environmental events have happened on Earth Day since 1970, including the recent signing of the Paris Agreement. As Earth Day continues to be a momentous and unifying day each and every year, so today we are going to make some props to celebrate World Earth Day and send a message to the world to save and protect Mother Earth. So let's start making a crown in the shape of the Mother Earth, which tells us that we should have the prime position for our planet. So let's begin. So for making the crown we just need green, blue and white sheet. Now for making earth, I am going to make a circle with the help of this compass. Now the circle is complete. Now cut the circle with the help of scissor, and you should be very careful. Take the help of your parents. Now make a pattern like this. Make any pattern. Now fill green color on the outer space. And you have to use sketch pens. Now color it like this. Now fill blue color inside it to represent water. First, you make an outline with the help of blue sketch pen, then color. Now take white sheet and on the back side of this apply some glue and paste it in the center of white sheet. Now take a scale and here we just need 1 centimeter margin. Now make a straight line with the help of pencil. Now after this we just need 4 centimeter width. Now mark to this side also. Add 4 centimeter. And make a line. To this side also. Now see, as we know that these lines are parallel to each other. Now again take compass, mark from this side. Now you should also take 1 centimeter from each side. So this is complete. Now let's make trees on the both sides. Make a shape like this and a shape of tree and do the same with all. Now do the same with other side. Now make little hearts in between the trees. Now fill green color in the trees and brown color in the stem. Little hearts with red color. Now cut this along with the line with scissor, and you should be very careful. Our crown is ready. Now after this fold it and staple it. Now wear it and feel proud. Now for another prop, make a earth like before, okay? Holding hands like this. For this we just need to make a pattern like this, then fold a sheet and cut it, and when we open this we have this type of shape. So I have already done. Now apply some glue on these areas and paste the earth here. Okay, see, this picture depicts that humans are the only ones who can save our planet. Okay, and the third one is take blue sheet and make a shape of a drop like this and cut it with the help of scissor. Now make two eyes and one smiling face. Now take this ice cream stick, apply some glue on this portion and paste it. Now after completing all the props, take a ribbon like this. Now take this finger and staple it and wear it around your neck. Now the first one, the second one and the third one is ready. So please try it at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.